Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Alight Motion app is updated and the QR feature is enabled. Open the project you want to link. Export the QR frame or generate the image inside the app, then save a high-contrast PNG. Once that is saved, make sure the QR occupies at least 300 pixels on the long side so scanners read reliably. You'll now switch to the scanning environment or use Alight Motion's Import QR option to begin embedding or linking content. Next, you import the QR image into your timeline and place it where viewers will reliably scan, typically centered or in a fixed corner. Use keyframes to lock position and scale. Keep the aspect ratio intact so the code isn't distorted. Once placed, choose a blending mode that preserves contrast. Avoid heavy filters. Then set the visible duration long enough for scanning and export with lossless or high-quality settings, so the QR remains sharp when played or printed. To finish, test the exported video or image on several devices to confirm the QR scans reliably. You should try both phone and tablet cameras. If a scan fails, make adjustments. Increase the QR's size, boost contrast, remove effects, or export with a higher bitrate or as a PNG to avoid compression artifacts. If alignment issues persist, rotate or recenter the code. One key troubleshooting tip: always re-export at maximum quality after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.